I've loved working for Nelft anyway, because I've always felt that I've been supported within Nelft. In the last few weeks, I have said even to my own senior managers as well, because we've worked together with our senior managers. Senior managers have helped us to move wards in their gyms and in their trainers, and they have been here to support. We are having really supportive meetings.
The leadership team is doing the best they can, bearing in mind the speed at which we have had to respond as an organization, and the fact that based on emerging data and information, we do have guidelines that have constantly had to change in order to ensure that we are being responsive. And I personally feel, being part of the Silver Command, looking at the response we have taken as an organization, it has been quite robust. The most important thing has been engagements with managers, with leads across different services. I think there are a number of positives we can draw on. One of the things I have been doing personally from a leadership perspective is walking the floor, visiting colleagues within the services to hear their story, because this is their lived experience. And I felt reassured, especially when I have spoken with colleagues working on wards where we have designated for patients who are positive for COVID, or the admission wards where you would usually have patients who are quite symptomatic.
So I'm happy to work for Nelft. I think it's a good place to work for. I think that, you know, we don't always get things right, and I think that we are hopefully, encouraging staff to be open and honest about that and to learn about it. And I hope that our leadership team are there to support us, and I do feel supported. And I feel extremely supported by the leadership team that have been sort of hands-on, that we've seen every day, that have been there, that, you know, pop their heads around the corner every day to say, are you okay? Is there anything we can do? I have felt quite open and honest about being able to be quite direct with things that are happening, and I do feel that that's been the environment that they have harboured, is an open and honest and transparent one to raise concerns if any have happened.
One of the proudest things that I think I can take away from this is that if we as staff and senior management and managers were working in partnership before, I think we've crystallized that and cemented that this bond of partnership working is virtually now unbreakable. That's the kind of level of trust and working relationship we have forged. The other thing is, I think also management decided that we were going to put our arms around each other and walk together, not push each other along as we went along. And I think that is so humbling. So it's a proud moment.